Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a WordPress site and want visitors to land directly on your blog page instead of a static homepage, this tutorial is going to save you time. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make your blog your homepage in WordPress. It's super simple, beginner friendly, and works with any theme. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Just open your browser, go to wordpress.com or your domain link with /wp- admin at the end, and log in. If your account is linked with Google, you can use Continue with Google for quick access. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, you're ready to go. By default, WordPress shows a static homepage or sample page when someone visits your site. But if you're running a blog, that's not what you want. You want your posts to show first. And to fix that, look at the menu on the left side and click on Settings. Then select Reading. Here, you'll see two options under your homepage displays. A static page, your latest posts. This is the key part. Simply change the setting from a static page to your latest posts. The moment you do this, your blog page becomes the homepage automatically. That means every time someone visits your domain, your newest post will show up first, just like a proper blog. Now, before you hit save, make sure your site actually has a page for your posts. If you don't see a post page option or your posts aren't showing correctly, no worries, you can fix it in seconds. Just go to Pages from the left menu. Here, click Add New and create a page called Blog or News or any name you like. Don't add any content, just publish it. Now go back to Settings greater than Reading and under Post Page, select the page you just created. Then click Save Changes. Done. Let's quickly test it. Open your website in a new tab. Your posts should now show up on the homepage in blog format, clean, professional, and exactly how you want it for a blog website. If your theme doesn't display the blog layout the way you want, you can also customize it by going to Appearance greater than Customize. Every theme is different, so feel free to adjust layout, sidebar, featured images, and more to match your style. That's it. You just made your blog your homepage in WordPress, simple and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy WordPress guides like this. Got any questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below and I'll reply ASAP.